Yo, what's up everyone? My name's Dom. We're here to talk about unusual options activity. Now we're filming this video on Saturday, but these are trades from Friday. Because there's no trading on the weekend, so let's get it. Alright, first thing here, I have to give you guys the, BAM! Disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. The statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry risk. There is no guarantee of profit. Alright, get that out of the way. Now let's move on to these trades. So I gave you a couple trades on Thursday. Yeah. So this first one I gave you was CrowdStrike. We already have it pulled up. Now this one traded down a little bit today, but that's to be expected after a huge, I think it was up 9% the day before. So, you know, sometimes you gotta let things cool down and then get in. So, I think good entry here. I am already in these calls, and you know we're just gonna see what happens. So keep this one on your radar, guys. We talked about this one on Thursday. The other one we talked about was CREE. Now this one actually held up pretty well today, considering the broader market kind of traded down. We were talking about these January 97.5 calls, and yeah, these didn't really do much today. Didn't really move a whole lot. So we are staying with these ones, looking for a nice move into January. All right, so I was poking around here and I saw some activity in Snap. Now, I'm pretty bullish on Snap, my opinion. I think this is an up and coming social media advertising company, and I think the future of advertising is on social media. A lot of companies are starting to move away from TV ads and move into Facebook, Pinterest, Snap. So that's my thesis. I am bullish on Snap. So I was poking around here and I saw somebody was buying the January 2022 calls. Yeah, here. So somebody was buying these. It was a pretty sizable order. These January 2022's 50 calls. So these are not January 2021's. Here we're going out to 2022. Someone was going out. Let's check this out here, see what they were getting. January 2022, remember that, guys. So this is the order right here. So this order I saw, and this is a huge order, $1 million+ order. So as you can see here, I'm in these January 2023 calls. I've been in these for a few weeks, and I've also been in these April calls for about a few weeks. So as you can tell from my positioning here, I am bullish on Snap. I did not buy these January 2022 calls because I'm already in these April and these January 2023 calls. But I just wanted to let you guys know that there was some more buying in Snap. I saw this one. I like this activity, and I'm pretty bullish on Snap, you know, all the way out here in 2023. So let's go, people. Keep this one. Definitely keep this one on your radar. And we'll see what happens with these ones. So, sorry about that. Let me get rid of some of these drawings here. Alright, we'll just do this basic guy here. So, as you can see, this is a year chart of Snap. They had phenomenal earnings, gapped all the way up, and it's just kept on going. So, yeah, this is the year chart of Snap. Super bullish on Snap. Keep this one on your radar, guys. Definitely these social media stocks are ones to keep on your radar. All right, and then we have Bilibili, ticker symbol BILI. All right, I've been seeing a lot of activity in this one, a lot of buying in this one for a while now, and I just haven't jumped in. I was looking at this one when the stock was at 50. Now it's at 75. Here's the year chart for this one. So, as you can see, an incredible move. I like following stock charts that are in an uptrend. This is a huge upside right here. Makes me kind of nervous to get in at this level, but you know, someone came in, I saw a nice order, so I just jumped in. I jumped into these April 90 strike calls here. Here's the volume that we saw And it turned out to be a nice order in here if you go check it out. Flag it down to the 90s. So as you can see here, somebody came in. Yeah, 801, 801. Some of these are mixed in here. 801, 801. Yeah, so there's a lot of buying at these 90 strikes. Here's 801. Yeah, it looks like somebody bought about 800 of these in total. So if you add all these ones up, these ones that occurred at 8 a.m., it should be equal to about 800. So, you know, if you multiply that out times about 845 each, that's a huge order. I like following someone who put down this kind of money. So, bang, we're in these options. We will see what happens with these. It's had a huge run, maybe expecting a little more upside. We'll see what happens. They're out in April, so we give ourselves plenty of time if it does trade sideways for a month, 2 months, you know, and it has a nice move after that. I don't think it'll do that, but if it does, you know, we bought the time, so, you know, it just needs to get moving here over the long term. So these are some calls that I flagged that I got into. Definitely keep your eye on these ones, and we will see what happens. So make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share this video with somebody who likes to trade, because that's what we're about here. We're about trading, we're about options, we're about trying to make as much money as we can, financial freedom. So make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, see you guys on the next one.